Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to talk about SDLC method. Okay, SDLC method is one of the most important method of software development life cycle. That is, every software engineer must know about this. Okay, without understanding the SDLC method, it is very difficult to understand the other models that is present in software engineering. This is the basic and most easy model. You can easily remember this model. Okay, so let's get started. So in SDLC method there are different steps that you have to remember one by one. First step is requirement gathering stage. In this step the client or the customer goes to the company, but they take up some requirement, what software they need and what is the functionality that they want, and inside the company there is business analyst. The business analyst will take the requirements and they will read the requirement and understand the requirement thoroughly, and after understanding the requirement they will go to the tech team inside the company. They will explain the requirement clearly to the tech team, and then the designers inside the company or the architects inside the company, they will design the system and design the high level design and low level design, and after designing the software they will code the software by the help of the developers that are inside the company, and after the coding is complete they will proceed to testing of the software. The quality assurance engineers or software testers, they will be testing the software thoroughly. They will find the bugs inside the software and they will report the bugs to the developers, and the bugs will be fixed. And when everything is okay and there is less amount of bugs in the software, they will proceed for implementation or installment of the software. And after installment of the software is done, then the next phase is maintenance of the software. Then they will release the software to the user or the end user, and the maintenance phase will start. In this maintenance phase they will tell the customer that within this time period, whatever, if any issues are coming in the software or any bugs are coming, then we will be taking up the software and we will be fixing the bugs and all free of cost. And this is the maintenance phase, and the overall step is known as software development life cycle. And this is the commonly asked question in many interviews, so you must know this software development life cycle. This is a very easy life cycle software development model. You must remember this one, and if you have some doubts regarding this software development life cycle, you can reach out to me, or you can comment in the comment section whatever doubt you have or queries you have. I will be replying to your queries. And if you find this kind of videos very much helpful, consider subscribing my YouTube channel. I will be posting more interesting videos, and you guys can also tell what videos you want. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share. See you in the next video. Bye.